Are you ready to boost your kidney health with just a few simple changes to your diet? Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering toxins, balancing fluids, and maintaining overall wellness, but they often don't get the attention they deserve. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible superfoods that can help support and restore kidney health. These foods are packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and essential nutrients that can reduce toxin buildup and keep your kidneys functioning at their best. So, if you're looking to naturally support your kidneys, keep watching as we reveal these kidney-friendly superfoods and how they can make a difference. Our kidneys work tirelessly to cleanse the blood, regulate blood pressure, and balance electrolytes. But due to factors like stress, poor diet, or dehydration, they can experience strain. The good news is that incorporating certain foods into your diet can help protect and heal your kidneys over time. Each food on this list is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support kidney health. Let's jump in and explore these superfoods one by one. First up, we have cranberries. Known for their powerful antioxidant properties, cranberries are often recommended for urinary tract health, but they're also great for kidney health. Cranberries contain compounds that help prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections. By preventing urinary tract infections, cranberries indirectly support the kidneys, as infections can sometimes spread to the kidneys if left untreated. To incorporate cranberries into your diet, consider adding fresh cranberries to smoothies, salads, or even making unsweetened cranberry juice. Just a handful a day can provide a substantial boost to kidney and urinary tract health. Next on our list is blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. High in fiber and low in sodium, blueberries are an ideal kidney-friendly food. These little berries are not only delicious, but also work to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Blueberries are incredibly versatile. You can add them to your morning oatmeal, mix them into yogurt, or enjoy them as a healthy snack on their own. Incorporating a half cup of blueberries into your daily routine can go a long way in supporting kidney health. Red bell peppers are another excellent choice for kidney health. These vibrant vegetables are rich in vitamin C, A, and B6, which are essential for kidney function. Red bell peppers are also low in potassium, making them ideal for individuals with kidney issues who need to limit their potassium intake. The antioxidants in red bell peppers help protect the kidneys from cellular damage. You can add red bell peppers to salads, stir-fries, or use them as a crunchy snack with hummus. Their sweet taste and versatility make them an easy addition to your diet. Garlic is not only a fantastic flavor enhancer, but also a kidney-friendly superfood. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urination and helping the body flush out excess sodium and toxins, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy. Add it to your cooking, salad dressings, or roast it for a milder flavor. Just 1 or 2 cloves per day can have a significant impact on kidney health. Our next superfood is onions. Onions contain quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports kidney function. Like garlic, onions also act as a natural diuretic, helping the body to eliminate waste more efficiently. Additionally, onions are low in potassium, which makes them an excellent choice for kidney-friendly diets. Try adding onions to soups, salads, or stir-fries. Raw or cooked, onions are a versatile addition that can help protect and support your kidneys. Cauliflower is another vegetable with impressive benefits for the kidneys. Rich in vitamin C and K, folate and fiber, cauliflower provides essential nutrients without being high in potassium. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and promote detoxification. Cauliflower is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed roasted, mashed, or even as a low-carb substitute for rice. Adding a serving of cauliflower to your diet several times a week can provide your kidneys with some much-needed support. Let's not forget about apples. Apples are high in fiber and contain anti-inflammatory compounds that support kidney health. They are known to reduce cholesterol and regulate blood sugar, which indirectly benefits the kidneys by reducing the workload required to filter out excess waste. A simple apple a day is a great way to support kidney health. Enjoy them as a snack, add slices to salads, or blend them into a smoothie for a sweet and healthy treat. Cabbage is a highly nutritious vegetable that's particularly beneficial for kidney health. It's packed with vitamins K, C, and B, as well as fiber, all while being low in potassium. Cabbage contains phytochemicals that help reduce oxidative stress and promote detoxification, easing the burden on the kidneys. Add cabbage to salads, soups, or steam it as a side dish. Incorporating cabbage into your meals regularly can have a positive impact on your kidney health. Next up is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and support kidney function. Unlike other oils, olive oil doesn't contain harmful fats that could strain the kidneys, making it one of the best choices for heart and kidney health alike. Drizzle olive oil over salads, use it as a base for salad dressings, or add a little to your cooking. Just a tablespoon or two a day can provide significant benefits for kidney health. Last but not least, we have ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help reduce kidney inflammation and promote detoxification. Ginger also supports digestion and can help reduce nausea, which is sometimes associated with kidney issues. You can incorporate ginger into your diet by adding it to teas, smoothies, or soups. Fresh or powdered ginger both offer great benefits for the kidneys, so choose whichever form you prefer. To recap, these 10 superfoods, cranberries, blueberries, red bell peppers, garlic, onions, cauliflower, apples, cabbage, olive oil, and ginger, each offer unique benefits for kidney health. They're rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential nutrients that support kidney function and help reduce toxin buildup. If you're looking to incorporate these foods into your daily routine, start by adding 1 or 2 of them to each meal. For instance, add blueberries to your breakfast, snack on an apple during the day, and include garlic and olive oil in your dinner. Small changes can make a big difference over time. As you begin to add these foods into your diet, consider making other lifestyle adjustments to support kidney health. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, aim for regular exercise, and avoid processed foods that can contain excess sodium and unhealthy fats. Are you ready to start supporting your kidneys naturally? Try adding these superfoods into your meals and see how you feel. We'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to share any tips or recipes that incorporate these kidney-friendly ingredients. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and tips. Remember, small, consistent changes can lead to big improvements in your health. By adding these powerful superfoods to your diet, you're taking proactive steps to support your kidneys and enhance your overall well-being. Here's to a healthier you.